Apple Music on Android just got a major upgrade, and it's a game changer for users who've been craving iOS-level features. But here's where it gets controversial. While Android users are finally catching up, they're still left out of some of the most exciting innovations Apple has to offer. Let's dive in. Apple has released the Apple Music 5.0 beta for Android, bringing a slew of features previously exclusive to iOS 26. Among the highlights are AI-powered lyrics translation, a game-changer for music lovers who want to sing along to songs in languages they don't speak. This feature not only translates lyrics, but also provides pronunciation guides, making it easier than ever to connect with global music. While iOS users rely on Apple Intelligence for this, Android users will likely tap into Google's AI capabilities, a subtle but significant difference in how the feature operates across platforms. Another standout addition is the music pinning feature, which lets users pin their favorite songs, albums, playlists, or artists directly to the top of their library. This isn't just about convenience, it's about personalization. Plus, these pins sync across all Apple devices, ensuring a seamless experience whether you're on Android or iOS. And yes, you can even set these pins to automatically download for offline listening, a small but mighty upgrade. Visually, the app has been refreshed with pill-shaped buttons for play, shuffle, and repeat controls, replacing the older rounded rectangular design. These buttons now sit prominently at the top of album, playlist, and cue screens, giving the app a sleeker, more modern look. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in usability and aesthetics. And this is the part most people miss. The update also includes in-app replay statistics, allowing users to track their monthly and yearly listening habits without leaving the app. It's like having your own personal music analyst, breaking down your favorite tracks and listening patterns in detail. For data-driven music enthusiasts, this is a dream come true. But here's the catch. Android users are still missing out on the liquid glass redesign, the visually stunning overhaul that's exclusive to iOS 26. This omission raises questions about whether Android will ever fully align with Apple's vision for its music platform. Additionally, there's no word on whether AutoMix, the advanced crossfade feature with DJ-style transitions, will make its way to Android. These gaps leave room for debate. Is Apple intentionally keeping Android users at arm's length, or are these features simply too complex to port over? As Android users celebrate these new additions, it's worth asking, are these updates enough, or does Apple need to do more to bridge the gap? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, especially if you're an Android user who's been waiting for these features. Is this a step in the right direction, or were you still left wanting more?